So it's day 13 of our 90-day challenge, and we are back in Harper Estates. And today we're going to look at a single-story Olivia Clark home.
This thing is very nice. It's what, about 3,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 bath. Like Patrice mentioned, single story, but this thing backs up to just green space, which I know a lot of you guys are asking about. It's got a 4-car garage with the 8-foot doors, which is really nice. Now, Olivia Clark is one of these newer builders, sort of pandemic and up. Used to work with Shattuck, was their interior designer and that sort of thing. Does a really good job on their houses. Now, one thing I want to point out just right here, you could do this whether you're building custom or not, but it's nice that they did it here. They put that corrugated plastic underneath your walkway, and what this allows you to do is easy access for your low voltage wires for your lighting and that sort of thing. So something that you could do, request, it's $10, right? But it makes all the difference in the world if you want to bring lighting and all that good stuff out into your trees and planters or whatnot. Look at this gorgeous entryway.
This is a really, really nice entryway.
It's a stately, right?
Yes.
I mean, you've got rocking chairs right there, I picture. I love the double doors. It's just kind of that old school. Does it feel like that? You know,
a
like,
little bit, yeah, I know what you're saying.
you know what I'm saying? Like
a new version of old school. How about that?
exactly, yeah, like some of those old classic Dallas homes that we see.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you got this double door entry. I'm gonna take my sunglasses off as we come on through. You walk right in.
Yes.
And you're in it. Now, some people love that, some people aren't fans. I tend to like an entryway.
I think this is very, very nice.
Yeah, I would not be turning this down. I love how open this space is. I'm just trying to take it all in.
I know, there's
And
so
then we'll
much.
break it on down. The backyard, the patio is calling my name.
I do love this whole fireplace area built in. Everything that's going on here, I think, is very, very pretty.
And again, with the price, this is all included, right? That's why we love these inventory homes, is because you
No
see
hidden
what you get.
fees.
No hidden fees, right? It's not gonna get any worse, believe me.
Yeah.
You call Andy Patrice, we can probably get you a better deal. I'm pretty confident in that. But I love how they have this solid beam all the way across.
Yes.
It's just a nice space. Over on this side, on the front of the home, you've got this double door entryway to your office.
Close it off, and then you don't have to look at your work for the rest
Solid core doors, so you don't have to worry about all that noise pollution. You've got coffered ceiling. And then you've got like a, it's sort of a walk-in closet, but it's all shelving, almost like a snack closet, pantry.
Yeah.
But great for like all your paper, all your miscellaneous office goods that you don't necessarily want to have in plain sight. But what I like about it is because it is solid core doors, you don't have like that those glass doors, so it isn't a showcase, right? It's actually a working office, which is nice. Down here, you've got a little coat closet.
Okay.
In here, you've got a linen closet, and then you've got a couple bedrooms. So let's go look at this bedroom first. It's got its own little ensuite and walk-in closet, but this room is a good sized room. It's not overly big. I'd say it's probably like 12 by 11, 12 by 12 maybe.
But it does everything it needs to. They've also put the little tray ceiling in here too. So some nice little touches for just a little room.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, now we're gonna go to the other
Here's the other room. This one's got more of like a entryway, another walk-in closet, and it's got its own ensuite bath as well.
Okay. I'm hoping I'm not making everybody dizzy as I'm kind of spinning around here.
We're walking on plastic, if you can hear that. They're just covering up the carpet areas.
Very good. Let me walk back.
Yeah, so now we're in the front of the home. You've got larger vaulted ceilings here in this room.
Okay, that's nice. I like this room.
Yeah, so let's keep going. I love the wide plank, white oak flooring.
Yeah, it's really beautiful and very, very solid.
And they've got like, what, are those 4 or 5 inch baseboards in here?
Yeah.
Which,
Very nice.
you know what? Normally, they're taking it a little bit higher these days, but that blends for some reason with this house. You've got big picture windows here. You've got your sliders right here over your kitchen. What do you think of this quartzite?
I think it's very pretty. I
Yeah.
like seeing something other than white. I think this is nice.
I love how it blends,
Yeah,
you know,
the cabinet
with the
color.
cabinet color.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Has the two big drawers, your 6-burner gas cooktop, and then look at this fridge. For
Yeah.
crying out loud.
You could fit a few things in there. Wow, that's super nice. And
We
then the
need one of
freezer's on the
these.
left.
Yeah, we need one of these.
Yeah, we do. Double ovens right there, that's nice.
Double ovens plus your microwave.
I do like all the cabinets, and I don't hate that they're not all the way to the ceiling. I think
Yeah.
that it's the way they did it is very nice.
Well, it's like normal height, you know, like,
I do like this backsplash. I'm going to show this up. It's just kind of neat. But what I do like, which is right behind me, is the kitchen sink and the dishwashers right here. So you can sit here and you could do your dishes and look out at your beautiful view of the trees and whatever you put in your backyard.
yeah, now obviously it's fall, and so, you know, the trees are deciduous, so they don't have their leaves, but when they do, you're gonna have complete 100% privacy, but there's nothing over there. So you have privacy even now,
Yeah, it's
365. So you've got a large buffet area, and, you know, I'm not sure what you'd wanna do here because, you know, you could put all your air fryers and all your good stuff, your coffee maker and all that, all right here in this kind of like prep area. Butler's pantry as you walk into your nice size snack
Pantry?
closet.
Nice, lots of shelves. Okay.
Now right off this area is your primary. Walk in, you got the vaulted ceilings. Again, nice view of the backyard on your acre lot.
I wouldn't hate to wake up to that every day, that's for sure.
No, it's very
nice.
peaceful, you know? This whole neighborhood's peaceful, but
It's very peaceful.
when you have the ones in the Greenbelt areas, it just takes it to another level. Double door, come on through to your ensuite, Patrice.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so you've got a nice, a double door.
It's double door, yeah.
Wow, that is a nice to have for sure.
Yeah, and then you've got split vanities, which I always love.
Let me
Quartz
close this
in
door.
here. You've got the big soaking tub.
And then a nice little vanity area over there. I like that. And
Yeah.
then huge shower.
What do you think about the mirrors? Framed mirrors. It's kind of that modern.
Yeah, I don't mind them. They're good size.
It kind of blends in with all that. It's just the black accent, you know. I think Olivia Clark's kind of known for that, you know.
Yeah.
Right here, you know, it's got the main shower head right there. It's got one right here as well. I wouldn't mind like a rain head, but
Well, you turn both of those on, it's almost like a rain head.
Yeah, yeah, no, you're
I
right.
like that.
Yeah, you feel like you're in a jewelry box or something.
Oh, let me turn the light on in here. Oh boy. Good size.
Can you fill that up?
Closet. Can I fill it up? I probably can't. I probably need to buy more clothes.
Oh, okay. Well, be forewarned, guys, if
Got to fill the closet.
they need to fill the closet. You know, you get these big closets. You know, they tend to get filled. All right, so let's keep going on the other side of the house. This house is so nice. It's nice having a single story. I don't know. How many people love single stories? You know, we get calls, I'd say it's almost 50-50. Usually the young families want the 2-story.
That's what I was going to say. If you have kids, normally they want a 2-story.
Yeah, but then we have a lot of downsizers, people kind of our age that are looking for this sort of lifestyle. They want
They still want all the bedrooms and everything.
Yeah, they want for you know, the holidays or whatnot. Boomerang kids, you know, all sort of things. But they want the space, they want the acre, they want all that. Well, this gives it to you. So you've got your mud area, you've got your laundry area. Let me turn these lights on. Got a lot of workspace here and cabinetry for your.
Tons of cabinetry, and then on this side there's a ton of cabinetry. Oh my goodness, let me get over here so I can really get a look here.
It's got a ton of cabinets, but no room for a fridge.
It does not. You'd have to take some of these cabinets. Oh no, this is
Having
washer and
said,
dryer.
having said that fridge.
You wouldn't need more.
I mean, come on, it's huge. Now, we're gonna go take a look at the patio next, but look at this, guys.
Okay.
4-car garage. Look at this thing.
Oh, I bet you could put a fridge in here.
Look at this. It's deep enough to where you could put your lifted truck or whatever it is, you could put that in here. And it's not gonna be swallowed up. 4-car garage is perfect. Look at all this space. And then you can see built-ins right here, right? You've got this area. So this thing is huge.
Yeah, this is very nice. I like all the windows in here too.
Yeah, it's got windows. Now let's go out to the patio.
All right, did they lock you out?
I don't know. Sometimes they do that with these.
Oh, they didn't.
Here we go.
Oh, there's a
It
fireplace.
has my fireplace, Patrice. Right here, I would build this out so I can have all my wood in here.
I love that they put the mantle too.
Yeah, they got the mantle. Would you hang Christmas stockings right there outside?
I don't know about stockings, but I definitely would put, Christmas decorations.
Oh, okay. Put your big dining area right here. You've got your sitting area here. Come out here. Oh, look at how big this is.
Yeah.
You see how far down this thing goes? How wide it is?
I see it. It's very big. I'm gonna go to the end of the fence over here.
But look at how wide it goes down here. And then it feels like you're in the trees because look at how high you are.
This is the back of the house. Yeah, there's a huge retaining wall over there. So
Yeah,
this is-
I mean, you're on like a 8-foot retaining wall, so you're 8 feet high. So you're in
Don't
the
have to
middle
worry
of the
about
trees.
water.
I mean, it's just a gorgeous, you saw it from the inside of the house. You feel like you're just in the trees. I mean, guys, if you are interested in this house or something like this, this is day 13 of our 90-day challenge. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by February 28th. So if you can do us a favor, it's free. Hit that subscribe button. If you like this content, we're just trying to give you raw, real stuff. How real estate really works here in North Texas. We relocated ourselves here 20 years ago, and we know the struggle and all that good stuff. So if this is something that you're interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button, that bell so you're alerted every time we do a video. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.